Okay, this is the extension that Travis has just put in today. First nighttime video up the new road. So already it's a pretty good road, and it'll be better once they put some gravel on it. It'll be a road that we should be able to use as an all-season road, which is what we were trying to achieve with it, because the one that we currently have right now doesn't really qualify as an all-season road. It has some sections that are too steep, and therefore either snow or ice or mud. Any one of those three things would kind of foul us up. Okay, so we're done. That's it. One final thought about that road that I just went over. Today is Friday. That was begun last Monday. A week ago, there was nothing there of that road. And so that has all been put in a period of 5 days.